Solidification or non-ferrous foundry practice. Introduction to solidification. Solidification is a process by which substance undergoes phase transformation from liquid state to solid state. Water converting to ice is a simple example of solidification process. In a casting process, as the molten metal liquid is poured into the mold cavity, it begins to cool. When the temperature drops below the freezing point, melting point of the material, solidification starts. As known, all metals shrink during change of phase from liquid to solid state. However, different metals at different rates, and as such, proper understanding of the solidification mechanism are essential to prevent defects due to shrinkage of metal. Further, during solidification, the atoms in the material are rearranged, leading to change in the microstructure of the material. The change in the microstructure results in changes in the properties of the material like strength, toughness, ductility, etc. By controlling the solidification process suitably, the microstructure and hence the properties of the material can be altered as desired. Nucleation. When a liquid cools below its freezing point, melting point, it starts to solidify and the atoms of the liquid metal begin to bond together, forming a very small sized crystal called nuclei. This process takes place at several locations as shown in figure. First figure showing nucleation, second crystal growth, and third one grain boundary. The formation of liquid crystals is known as nucleation, and the point where it occurs is the nucleation point. As the solidification progresses, the crystal increase in size by the progressive addition of atoms and grow until they impinge upon adjacent growing crystal. Crystal growth continues in 3 dimensions, forming a tree-like appearance known as dendrites. The dendrites grow in different directions in each crystal, and finally, when one dendrite impinges upon the adjacent growing dendrite, a grain boundary is formed as shown in figure. The crystal growth ceases when all the available liquid metal has solidified. Types of nucleation. It is observed that nucleation is helped by the presence of foreign elements or impurities present in the molten metal. Depending on the role of these foreign elements, nucleation is classified into 2 types: homogeneous nucleation and heterogeneous nucleation. When nucleation takes place in the liquid metal without the help of any impurities, then it is known as homogeneous nucleation or self-nucleation. Nucleation based on this mechanism takes place in pure liquid metals only. On the other hand, when nucleation takes place with the help of impurities, it is known as heterogeneous nucleation. Impurities can be in the form of sand particles, alloy additions, oxides, or even the surface of the mold wall. This is thus in the usual casting process, nucleation is heterogeneous.